I need a little fresh air. You know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't. Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know?
Nightlife way.
Moving forward, doing everything the nightlife way. King Nightlife back with another nightlife vlog. I just wanted to catch up with y'all. I got the package. So I just wanted to do this quick unbox with you guys. And as you can see here, we have the axle shaft. We have the axle shafts. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up and make sure we got exactly what we ordered and make sure they're not damaged. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. You know, I wanted to bring out this quick vlog, showing y'all that, you know, 2 things you want to do when you order any package and you pay so much for shipping. You want to make sure your package is not damaged and everything is ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna get it out of the box. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna go ahead and send it over to our mechanic, and then we're wait. We're still waiting for a few more packages, but you know, this is just the start here. Surprised not to see any foam around it, besides the little bit that's on there now. But I'm satisfied. They don't look damaged. They don't look bent. They just look a lot bigger than they do in the picture. So thumbs up so far. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these down so I can get a good photo of them. Don't know if he wants me to uncover them all the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a good photo of them like this. Alright. I didn't get them over those photos. From the looks of it, everything looks good. They don't look bent. So yeah, so like I said, thumbs up so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in a more comfortable spot, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Today's the day we get these axle shafts thrown on this Buick Electra here. So you see, it's early in the morning. You know, we got the birds chirping still. We got the chickens over there hollering. See, we got Jade warmed up. Got Goldie warmed up out front. You know, gonna move these cars around and we're gonna make this thing happen here. You know, so go ahead and fire her up. and off we go. See, we have a box of wheel bearings and seals here, along with another box of wheel bearings that we're going to need for this job here in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and back her out and move some stuff out of the way here. So I'm gonna go ahead and back her out, move some stuff out of the way. Get these axle shafts, throw them in the back, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get there.
It's white. The top, the roof white.
Oh, he had the
That
white.
way he got immaculated, bro. Brand new. He got everything new.
Okay.
You see, you don't find those cars no more.
Nah, you don't find cars like these anymore out here.
Little by
still
little,
cruising.
Papa, little by little. I used to have a Toyota MR2, bro.
Yeah.
And I let my cousin in Florida ride, and he crashed him on. He fucked him on my car. Now I got a bike.
Yeah, you never let nobody drive your car, man. Never.
Put a little rim.
Yeah, I got
Nightlife.
rims
Paint,
for
a
it.
little bundle. Scratch them out, painting on in black.
That's all small stuff. You got to work from the inside out.
Yeah.
You're not working on the engine inside out.
You got another one, you say, no?
Yeah.
Old one like this one?
Oh,
Like old
nah.
car, huh?
Nah. Yeah, I like
Like
all
me, I
old
like
cars.
old cars,
Classics. Nothing but classics. Yeah. So we here, we back, y'all. We made the drop. So we're gonna go ahead and let the mechanic do what he gotta do. Parts are in the back, like I said earlier. Yep, so it's just a waiting process, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
It's a classic car, man.
Oh, yeah.
You got a classic car. You
It's
have to
almost
keep
60 years old, almost. Well, 51 years.
51.
Yeah, 51.
Almost 60. Almost
Yeah,
60.
might as well say, yeah.
It's like I say, you don't find this piece of art like that no more.
Definitely not, man.
If you find a car like that, you have to go to a collector or some
Yeah.
private owner or thing.
Oh
like
yeah, yeah. You don't find too many
No.
people in the streets with
They
these
like
kind
the
of
new
cars.
car now. Man.
Yeah,
I'm 52. I like old cars.
yeah. I like all old cars, man.
Okay, Papa. Take care.
All right, take care, man. So yeah, we back. We made the drop, you know. Super excited about this. Can't wait to see how she's riding after
Nightlife
this
way.
fix. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. You know, we gotta run, you know. So I'm gonna definitely catch up with y'all, you know. We doing everything the nightlife way. Gotta make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, I need that for motivation, motivational purposes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Can you unlock this one, please? Yeah. Motivational purposes. These videos are for motivational purposes only. Okay? See, we in Gold Panda right now. You know? A lovely wife. You can go out right there or right there on that side. Don't matter. But yeah, you know. So as soon as the mechanic is finished working his magic trick, we gonna catch up with y'all. King Nightlife back. Baby, can you put my window up? Just a little bit, just crack it. There we go. King Nightlife back. Just wanted to catch up with y'all. Let y'all know the process of what we got going on. So okay, now we got that call from the mechanic, and it's time to pick up the Electra now. And you know, I got my wife taking me over here, pick it up, and bring her home. What's we got going on? I'm in the middle of trying to make a table, a workbench, you know, so that's what I got going on today. In the meantime, in between time, you know, so just as soon as we get over here. I'm gonna catch up with y'all. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I can't wait to see how she's riding now. All right, y'all. So we back, catching up with y'all, making it over here to the shop, I should say. And you know, we always doing everything the nightlife way. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm here to pick her up. You know, it's looking like he got some other customers here. So I'm gonna be getting out, making this payment, and riding off into the sunset. Pull up some more, baby. Pull up like you pulling out that way. So, or just pull straight ahead to the car. Actually, that's fine. I just want to be able to see, so he know we here. King Nightlife back. Hey, so I just wanted to catch up with y'all and give y'all my final walk around. Call this vlog final walk around of the 1970 Buick Electra 225 after the axle shaft was replaced on it.
Nightlife way.
She's riding pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. You know, I had to come out and take a nighttime cruise. You know, that's just us men. I had to come out and take a nighttime cruise. You know, I had to test it out, you know. And you know, when you're driving these old school, especially these 70s cars, you know how loose that steering wheel be? Remind you of when you was in the car with your grandfather, you know, and it looked like he wasn't even driving, you know? Looked like he was just drawing or something. Because he ain't even touching the wheel and it's just gliding, you know? So I kind of, you know, got that feel to it, you know, but you know, I ain't gonna complain about nothing. If you know me, man, I ain't gonna cry about nothing. You know, I love the way it rides. So I'm gonna give this repair a thumbs up. Thumbs up on this repair, on the axle shaft repair. You know, we're gonna go with a thumbs up on that. So yeah, let's give you a quick little walk around before I run in here and grab these things from the store. Yeah, so definitely gonna be getting some exhaust work done within the next week or two. You know, after I wrap up this business with Gold Panda, Goldie there, wrap her up. You know, we're gonna come back and we're gonna slap the finishing touches on Buick Doobie here. You know, so yes, I took up 2 parking spots because I don't want nobody parking near me. Wish I should have took up all 4. Yeah, you know, so just a quick little walk around, like I said, you know. I'm gonna go in here and, like I said, she sounds good, you know. I don't mean to keep switching up on y'all, but she do sound good. But I definitely need some exhaust work. So, yeah, I just love these lights right here, how they complement the nightlife. The lights complement the nightlife. Oh, I gotta fix this one right here. This one works. I just gotta dig my hand in that trunk and wiggle it a little bit. So I gotta fix that too. But it works. Get that key open. I was like, I gotta show you how it works. Most definitely works. So I think I gotta dig my hand in there, play with it. See why it's not cutting on now. There we go. So I guess I might have a short in the wire or something. I really do not have any idea, but it's pretty cool when they're both on. It's pretty cool when they're both on, you know? Yeah, see? So, it goes in and out. Can't really help that, you know? You hit a bump, it goes right out as soon as I close the trunk. There you go. You know? But yeah, like I was saying, you know, with both lights on, complements the nightlife very, very well. You know, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you know. Like I said, this is for motivational purposes only, you know. I used to love seeing these cars ride by me, you know, as a youngster, you know, so I'm very, very happy to have a few myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out, and you know, just remember we doing everything the nightlife way. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, let me know what y'all think about this content. You know, it's not gonna stop. We doing everything the nightlife way.